Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So already we started the differentiation of logarithmic functions. I explained so many examples on differentiation of logarithmic functions. So I think now you are familiar with that. So in the today's class, I will give you the exercise of NCERT, that is 5.5. Differentiate the following with respect to x. First problem. Cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. So let us start with the problem like this. Let y is equal to cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. Here no need to differentiate taking log. Directly you can differentiate. But if you take a log, the problem will be simple. Taking log on both the sides, it is log y is equal to log cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x. What is the property of log mn? Not only for two terms, you can apply for more than two terms. Log mn is log m plus log n. So this will be written as log cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 3x, because of that basic properties of logarithms. Now differentiate. Now the differentiation is very simple. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy upon dx. You are familiar with the differentiation of implicit function. Differentiation of log cos x is 1 by cos x into differentiation of cos x plus log cos 2x is 1 by cos 2x into differentiation of cos 2x. Log cos 3x is 1 upon cos 3x into differentiation of cos 3x. Correct? So here on the left side as it is 1 by y into dy upon dx. What is the differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x upon cos x, and it is plus. Differentiation of cos 2x is minus sin 2x. One more differentiation. Differentiation of 2x also you have to write. I will write one step. 2x plus 1 by cos 3x as it is. Differentiation of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into differentiation of 3x. So 1 by y dy upon dx minus sin x upon cos x plus into minus is minus. Differentiation of 2x is 2. That's why I wrote 2 into sin 2x divided by cos 2x. And differentiation of 3x is 3. Plus into minus is minus. Dy upon dx is equal to 1 by y, taking y on that side. And at the same time I will write one more step. Sin by cos. See that the angles are same or what? It is minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. In the next step, write on that y value. Y is cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x in the bracket minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. This will be the answer. Moving to the next question. In the NCERT 5.5. Second problem. Directly I will write y is equal to root of x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. If you differentiate directly also you will get the answer, but it is a little bit lengthy. That's why I am writing taking log on both the sides. Log y is equal to log of root x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. It is log of, root will be written as raised to half, and it is in the form of log m raised to n is n into log m. Understood? So applying this property of log y is equal to 1 by 2 log of x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4, x minus 5. Upon means middle minus comes, this property. Log m by n means log m minus log n. And log mn will be log m plus log n. Remember these basic properties. This is 1 by 2 in the bracket. Log of x minus 1, it is middle plus. Log of x minus 2. All these three terms are present in the denominator, so middle minus comes. Minus log x minus 3 minus log x minus 4 minus log x minus 5. See, now the differentiation is very simple. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy upon dx is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Tell me, what is the differentiation of log x minus 1? 1 upon x minus 1. Is it necessary to differentiate again x minus 1? No, because differentiation of x minus 1 is here. Differentiation of log x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. No need to write this differentiation. Why? Because differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, and this is, you are getting 1 upon x minus 1, 1 minus 0. That is nothing but 1 upon x minus 1. So that's why differentiation of log x minus 1 is simply you can write 1 upon x minus 1 plus differentiation of log x minus 2 is 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. I explained that concept here. Now, what is dy upon dx then? Dy upon dx is y into 1 by 2 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3 minus 1 upon x minus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 5. Now write down that y value. What is y? Y is given. I wrote 1 by 2 here. Root of x minus 1 x minus 2 upon x minus 3 x minus 4 x minus 5 in the bracket 1 upon x minus 1 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x minus 3 and minus 1 upon x minus 5. Like this we are solving. At that time the sum will be very simple. Moving to the next question. Third one, y is equal to log x raised to cos x. See, the base is also variable and the power is also variable. So at that time what you are doing? We are taking log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides. Log y is equal to log of log x raised to cos x. So which formula? Log m raised to n. Cos x into log of log x. This is u, this is v. Now differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy upon dx is equal to cos x into differentiation of log x plus log of log x into differentiation of cos x. Cos x as it is, differentiation of log x is 1 by log x. First this log differentiation. When you close that log, differentiation of log x plus log of log x as it is, differentiation of cos x is minus. That's why I wrote this as a minus sin x. This is cos x upon log x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x minus sin x into log of log x. Now taking y on that side, 1 by y will be y. So your answer is dy upon dx is equal to y in the bracket cos x upon x log x minus sin x into log of log x. Write down that y value. Y is log x raised to sin x in the bracket cos x upon x log x minus sin x into log of log x. Moving to the next question, that is question number 4. Y is equal to x raised to x minus two raised to sin x. And in between the terms, if middle minus or plus, you cannot take log directly. So y is equal to u minus v, where u is x raised to x, v is 2 raised to sin x. Differentiating with respect to x, dy upon dx is du upon dx minus dv upon dx. Equation 1. Here first consider u is equal to x raised to x. Already I explained in question number 261. Taking log on both the sides, log u is equal to log x raised to x. X raised to x will be log x. Now u into v product rule. Differentiating with respect to x, This is 1 by u into du upon dx. It is x into differentiation of log x plus log x into differentiation of x. So du upon dx will be u. I took u on that side. 1 plus log x. U value is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. Next, one more part is there, v. See, consider v. For v, is it necessary to write log? No. If you are familiar with the chain rule, differentiating with respect to x, if you take log also correct, dv upon dx is equal to, it is in the form of a raised to x, 2 raised to sin x into log 2, but you know that the power is other than x, so we have to differentiate that also. If you take log also, you will get the same answer. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. 2 raised to sin x log 2 to the base e into cos x. Now, this is what dv upon dx. By substituting in equation 1, dy upon dx is equal to, what is du upon dx? X raised to x in the bracket 1 plus log x, middle minus is there. dv upon dx is 2 raised to sin x log 2 to the base e into cos x. See, very simple sums. Moving to the next question. Question number 5. Y is equal to x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 whole raised to 4. So here also, if you differentiate directly, that is also correct. But if you take a log, the problem will be simple. Taking log on both the sides, log y is equal to log x plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into x plus 5 raised to 4. They are in the form of log mn. So it is log x plus 3 whole square plus log x plus 4 whole cube plus log x plus 5 raised to 4. But they are in the form of what? They are in the form of log m raised to n. So it is 2 log x plus 3 plus 3 log x plus 4 plus 4 log x plus 5. Now differentiate. What is the differentiating of log y? Differentiating with respect to x. Differentiation of log y is 1 by y into dy upon dx is equal to 2, as it is. Differentiation of log x plus 3 is 1 upon x plus 3 plus 3, and no need to differentiate x plus 3. Already I explained in one of the example. Plus 3 constant. Log x plus 4 is 1 upon x plus 4 plus 4 upon x plus 5. dy upon dx is equal to y in the bracket. Write down the terms as it is. Yes. Now write down that y value. X plus 3 whole square into x plus 4 whole cube into in the bracket. Upon x plus 3 plus 3 upon x plus 4 plus 4 upon x plus 5. Moving to the next question, that is question number 6.